You are Serena.
Yes, ma'am.
Please introduce yourself.
My name is Beli Atendido, 45 years old, and I have one child, girl, and I am 11th of the members of the family, and I have 8 brothers and 3 sisters, and I'm high school graduated.
Do you have any experience to work as a domestic helper?
Yes, ma'am.
Where?
In Bahrain, in Middle East now.
Yeah, tell me. What's your main duty there?
I'm working with Mr. Ibrahim Al-Ghabail, and I serve 6 people, 1 adult, and couple, and 3 children.
Okay. 3 children, 1 couple, and
1 adult, 3 children, Muhammad 8, Khalil 5, and Ali 2 years old.
You are 2 maids work together, so what is your main duty?
My main duty is to look after the children, ma'am.
The 4 kids is your obligation?
Yes, ma'am.
How about the other household work? The other maid is the one who do?
The other maid, she's cooking food for the family.
The other maid's main duty is cooking. Your
Yes,
main
ma'am.
duty is babysit. And
Yes.
then all the household work will share.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And then you work there 7 years. After that, come back to Philippines,
Yes, ma'am.
marry,
Married and get 1 child.
and then now you want to work again.
Yes, ma'am, because her father died 7 years ago, and now I can leave her now because she's already grown up.
Okay. So if your employer requests you to finish your general cleaning first before you go out for your holiday, is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
How about take care of the disabled or invalid person? Any problem for you?
No problem, ma'am, because I have a little bit experience when my father already bedridden.
Okay. So it's okay for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And to do children's homework, it's also okay for you?
Yes, ma'am.
How about cooking? Are you a good cook?
Yes, ma'am, but Filipino food, some of Chinese food, but only vegetable.
Okay. Okay, thanks for your coming.
Thank you very much, ma'am.